In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make text italic in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma and selecting the text you want to style. You can click the entire text layer to affect all of it. Or double-click into the layer and highlight just the specific words or characters you want to make italic. This gives you fine control, which is handy when you only need emphasis on a few terms or a single phrase. With your text selected, look to the right sidebar and find the typography section. This is where Figma gathers everything related to your font settings, like the font family, size, line height, and letter spacing. Just below the font family name, you'll see a drop-down that shows the current font weight or style, often labeled something like regular, medium, or bold. Click that drop-down to reveal all available styles for the chosen font. If the font supports it, you'll see an italic option, sometimes listed alongside variations such as light italic, medium italic, or bold italic. Choose the italic style you want and your selected text will update immediately. If you only highlighted part of a text layer, only that portion will change, which keeps the rest of your typography intact. If you don't see italic in the list, it usually means the font family you are using doesn't include an italic variant, or the italic version isn't installed on your machine. Many fonts ship with separate files for italic styles, so you may need to install that variant locally or pick a different font family that includes italics. Figma doesn't fake or slant a font that doesn't have a true italic, so the option simply won't appear. If you prefer to work faster, you can use a keyboard shortcut. Select the text layer or highlight the exact text you want. Then press Command+I on a Mac or Control+I on Windows. This toggles italic on and off for the selected text as long as the font has an italic style available. If nothing changes when you press the shortcut, it's a sign that the current font doesn't support italics. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.